Hello, this video is an introduction and walkthrough on how to get started with Aupera's VMSS 2.0 on VMAccel's cloud platform. First, what is VMSS? VMSS stands for Video Machine Learning Streaming Server and allows the user to perform AI analytics on multiple input RTSP streams utilizing Xilinx AMD FPGAs. With VMSS 2.0, the user can either run Aupera's AI pipelines such as crowd-flow, facial recognition, license plate recognition with an easy-to-use web-based interface, or use the custom AI pipeline editor, which allows models from Xilinx's Model Zoo catalog to be easily imported, or for the user to provide their own models in an intuitive node-based framework. With VMSS 2.0, the user can create powerful custom AI pipelines utilizing Xilinx FPGAs without any coding or FPGA knowledge. To get started with VMSS 2.0, click the free trial button. This will take you to VMAccel's website, and you just enter your contact information at the bottom. After you've created your VMAccel account, you'll get your user credentials and a link to this website here. You'll see that a VMSS 2.0 instance has been created for you. This is implementing VMSS 2.0 on one of VMAccel's FPGA cards. So to access VMSS 2.0, you take this IP address here and then open it in the browser with port number :3004. And then this will take you to the Aupera client. It may take up to about 5 minutes after the instance is created before this web page is available. We can see right now the instance needs some time to fully set up. Once it's been set up, you'll get this interface here. So this is the Aupera client API. So the first thing you need to do is add a camera. We can make use of one of the RTSP streams being outputted by the Docker, which is already running on the card. So to access these streams, you can use RTSP : / then the IP of the card, and then port number 8554, and then /stream1. Now in the main hub of the Aupera client, we can verify that we've entered this stream correctly by going to the camera hub. And then you can see here is the RTSP stream that is being streamed out by the Docker. So to get started, let's use one of Aupera's built-in AI applications, CrowdFlow. So to run CrowdFlow, click AI Apps Hub, Stream 1, CrowdFlow, Create CrowdFlow Task. This will bring you to this setup interface here. So to set up CrowdFlow, you click Draw Line, and then you draw lines on the stream. So let's start the task. Now the task is running. We can go to the Show Results panel, and you can see it's already working. So when faces pass down, the in counter will be incremented. If faces were to pass going up, the out counter will be incremented. In this video, it's just a loop of people going down all the time, so the out counter will always stay at 0. If you stop the task, you would go to AI Apps Hub, Stream 1, click CrowdFlow, and then you can hit Stop CrowdFlow Task. With VMSS 2.0, we can run our own custom AI pipelines. So let's try a smart retail example. The Docker has another stream for retail. To add that stream, you go to Add New Camera from the AI App Hub, and then we'll call it Stream 2, RTSP, IP address, upper box, and then : port number 8554. This time Stream 2. Stream 2 is emulating a checkout. So to start the Smart Retail pipeline, we would go AI Apps Hub, Stream 2, and then we go to Custom Pipeline. So what this does is it has a AI editor, and you can import PB text files, which will create a combination of nodes, which is probably best visualized with this visualization graph button here. So these are the nodes here to create the full AI pipeline, and the PB text file will define the settings for all of these nodes here. You can get more details about the nodes that you can use in the detailed guide. Then we can start Smart Retail by hitting Submit and Show Results. And we can see here that our custom AI pipeline is working for Smart Retail. Products are being identified with our simple model. It's also possible to skip the web GUI entirely and use the command line. To do so, go to the Compute and Instance tab at the VMAccel website, and then click your instance name, and go to Console, and this will display this console here. Click Connect, then you can enter the terminal. So the first step is to enter the Docker container, which we can do with the command docker container exec -it, and then Aupera server bash. So this will enter the Docker container called Aupera server. So there's many examples you can use in the OPT Aupera AVAS examples folder. So I'm going to go to the box detector folder. Then we can run the Aupera server using the avasser command, which has three parameters: -I, the input PBText, -O, the output PBText, and -C, the configuration PBText. So I'll use this one and enter, and then we can run the avasser through the terminal without the need for the GUI.